So I'm finna go get a belly piercing, and I'm slick a little scared because I think it's gonna hurt, but everybody say it don't hurt, but we gonna see. All right, y'all. So I actually was, yeah. All right, so it actually wasn't that bad. I really was tripping over nothing, but Jay wouldn't want me to record it, but couldn't nobody come in the room with me because of COVID-19. But she left the door open, but we didn't think that she was gonna leave the door open. I thought it was like one door, but I'm sure y'all. Yay! So the next thing I want to do is get a second hole right here, and I'm thinking a nose, but I don't know which side I'm gonna get, and it's probably it. And I had my tongue pierced before, but I'm not gonna do it no more. Jay's gonna put together my desk, and yeah, that's about it.
I think she got some ready. I'm gonna go check.
She got
You right here. So good morning, y'all. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this in the vlog because basically my stuff got boring, and yeah. So I just quit vlogging. Oh yeah, I did get the belly pierce. I think I showed y'all last night. I gotta earn the clothes. Well, the boys' clothes. I normally do that on Saturdays, but yeah. So they're up. My desk came in, they finally put it together. I was gonna put 2 chairs right here, and I think it's gonna look crowded with my desk, but I'm gonna have to work with it. JJ. Did you? So they're watching some type of something on Junior. Oh yeah, and I never did cook last night, which is bad, but I'm gonna cook today. I'm gonna have to actually throw away the ground beef and get some more ground beef out because we left it in the sink all night. It don't stink yet or none of that, but I just know that it's bad. I'm gonna do an update on this custody situation and tell y'all about a little stupid. Y'all know I'm gonna read y'all the text and tell y'all how all it went. And I went in. Usually I don't go in. Usually I don't click, but I haven't talked to this little boy or I haven't talked to this woman since May. Like, I don't even talk to this troll, so I don't even understand why simple stuff that you're supposed to do in the order is an issue. But anyway, that's like on my Sunday. Didn't ruin my Saturday because I actually had fun. Bay looked at some tattoo that he gonna probably get to cover up his ex-wife name. I don't even know if y'all even noticed that he got a name on there. And I'm not gonna say what it is just because yeah, it's her nickname, but I ain't even gonna say what it is. Not cause I got no beef or nothing like that, just cause some people don't want their business on the internet. So yeah, so I gotta basically clean back up. I'm not gonna sweep and mop today cause I did that yesterday. But I am going to like wipe off the countertops and all that stuff. And like I said, that'll be a whole clean with me video, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. I really don't know what we're gonna do today, y'all. So yeah, I had just wanted to come and tell y'all good morning. And I could not record. I don't know if I said it last night, but I could not record inside the tattoo piercing studio. Not because she was just like, nah, you can't record me, but because of COVID and I couldn't have Jay hold the camera. So yeah, but I'm getting a tattoo. I already paid for it. I'm getting a tattoo in November, and y'all will see like most of their process or some of their process, because the tattoo that I'm gonna get is going to take a minute. So yeah, and I ain't even gonna tell y'all what it is because I have trolls watching my channel. So yeah. Oh, and this is what my desk look like. I really don't never do gold, but I also like do it for my office space. Whenever I do get one, I'm gonna do gold. And it's just like a marble thing. I can always put contact paper up and cover it up. But yeah, it's bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. It have to be screwed over there to hold it. And right here, we had that table. I'm gonna just take that apart and probably get Jay to put it in storage. So yeah. So time for me to clean up and figure out what we're gonna do today. Somebody sleep, y'all.
You ready?
What? Yeah, it's so cold outside. I can feel my bro. Or see my bro. Feel my bro. You can't take your cup in there. Come on. No.
You gotta get in it.
What time is it?
I don't know.
I think we got like a minute.
Keep pushing it.
Yes, you can. So I told you that we were going to be closed by the end of the week.
Good morning. Doing all right.
Thank you.
Doing all right. She pushed the button. Bye-bye, Jack.
Bye-bye. How you doing? Hey, good morning. Go bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Hey.
Hey.
You tell teachers your last day?
Huh? It's the last day. Where you going?
He going to Pediatric Plus.
And share with
Juju, man.
Juju and his daddy.
You know what I mean?
Juju going to class on his little last day of school. Anybody here yet?
Yeah. Well, no, not the kids.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Let it go, little boy.
Oh, Dad didn't check out your jacket or nothing. He really just dropped you off.
I did. Because he was trying to escape.
Come on. Oh, what?